found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to a very unpredicted vlog. Like this was not something planned, well laid out, and it is not going to be. Let me give you a brief story कि इस vlog में क्या होने वाला है. But this room actually is my brother's room, and I'll give you a glimpse of what it looks like right now. So he is going out of town for 2 to 3 days for some work, and meanwhile, I decided let's take advantage of the situation and get the bed out of the way. So as you can see, it's like turned sideways so that this space can be provided. And I'm planning to shoot some lookbooks and like एकदम बल्क में शूटिंग चलेगी, धड़ाधड़ शूटिंग चलेगी. That's the whole plan right now. So बेड हो गया है टेढ़ा. Then here we have a makeshift क्या कहते हैं उसको, टेबल. There are 2 cartons और उसके ऊपर से यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ रखा है, एक प्लैंक या कुछ तो था. And then this is like a white cloth. यहाँ पे masking tape से जोड़ा गया है जुगाड़. Then this is my very beautiful plant. Actually these cartons were here behind the gate. अभी गेट पे उसके कपड़े हैं. He just left actually. He just left. So आज रात को तो हम शूट नहीं कर सकते because there will be lighting का problem. So I thought like बेड को शिफ्ट करवा लिया है मैंने with his help before him leaving. And then I did all the cleaning. और अभी जैसे ये मेक शिफ्ट बना दिया, ये मेक शिफ्ट बना दिया. अभी ये कपड़े कबर्ड में डालने हैं अंदर. There's a cupboard here. I'll be good to go for a while. उसके बाद कल सुबह उठ के बाकी काम करना है and shoot करना है. Now why am I making this vlog? This vlog is not gonna add much life to you. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? This vlog is not gonna add much value to your life. बराबर. But this vlog is actually for myself. I'm making this for myself. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this, but it's like future में कभी I feel demotivated ना, I'll see this video. I'll see this vlog of mine so that I can remind myself how much hard work I put into for something that does not even pay me back at this moment. Like obviously financial aspect से कभी इस चैनल को start भी नहीं किया था मैंने, but एक expectation रहती है and I know I'll get there sooner or later. But that's not the point. The point is I am doing all of this for something I don't even know whether it's gonna pay me back ever. So guys, believe in your dreams. और यहाँ पे मैंने पेन से कुछ कर रखा है. कलाकार इंसान कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता है. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning guys. Hi. Okay, so it's almost 10 a.m. now, and now I remember the last time I vlogged was 10 p.m. So yeah, it's been 12 hours and I would like to give you a tour of what my whole setup looks like. It looks crazy, honestly. As in, it's like a dream setup for me. I'll come to that later. But first of all, I woke up at 7, did some work for an hour, like 8 p.m. till 8 p.m. 8 a.m. sorry, till 8 a.m. Then I got ready. और मैं इस पूरे सेटअप को तैयार करते करते I don't know 10 बज गए and I have not even started shooting. But let me give you a tour of the setup first because I'm really pumped up. So this is the entrance and if you have watched my previous video, ऐसा ही कुछ बैग का setup था. I only added this green thing. It's actually made from wool and my mother made it. Shout out to my mother. Then we have our fake plant. Then we have this very unprofessional thing going on. Then this is the most favorite part of this whole setup. So that's the bed as I told you last night, right? And then this is like a makeshift table where I have put my light box and some jewelry that are going to be used in the video. Now this thing is a very interesting thing going on here because ये तो bed है, as you can see this is like the bed का frame, but this long thing is actually पर्दा लगाने का जो होता है, like that thing, that rod दैट रॉड इज दिस रॉड. तो ये मैं बाहर के कमरे से लेके आई हूँ, जो काफ़ी लंबा था एंड इट फिट परफेक्टली. बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बढ़ा हुआ है एंड दैट्स ओके. सो दिस इज व्हाट द सेटअप लुक्स लाइक. And you can call this my dream setup because it has been a dream for me to like have a lookbook where I have a stack where I can keep my clothes. So this is like a dream setup for me. Like there is so much space problem going on at our house. I cannot get a stack like this. So yeah, you can get the feeling. Now it's 10 a.m. I'll start shooting. I'm not going to add any time lapse simply because it doesn't make sense because I am going to upload those videos, right? So yeah, I'll see you once I am done shooting. Okay, तो पहली वीडियो हो चुकी है हमारी शूट कंप्लीट एंड मतलब टाइमिंग इतना मस्त था कि उसी टाइम पे मेरा कार्ड फुल हो गया. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गेट माई लंच. मीनवाइल मैं बैटरी चार्ज पे डाल दूंगी और SD card, although I have an extra, but still for just in case, I am going to copy this whole thing to my laptop. उसके बाद this card will be formatted. So yeah, that's another thing that you don't get to see behind the camera is that our cards get filled up so easily, our batteries die so easily. So yeah, that's that. So it's 1:45 right now and I will start shooting the second video of the day. I know I am taking huge time. The number one reason is these are lookbooks, so they need more time than usual because you're constantly changing your clothes, you're constantly ironing, getting clothes, taking them back, all stuff. So that's number one reason. Number two, I don't want to exhaust myself, so I am taking my time basically. That's what I'm doing. So that's that. So I am playing some uplifting music and just having fun basically. Okay, so I have reached the goal for the day, which was 3 videos today. Although I had some other expectations from me as well, like if you can do more than 3, but I feel like 3 is enough, especially if we are talking about lookbooks. So it's actually 3:46 right now, and we started around 10 a.m. I guess. Obviously I took lunch break in between, but that was the only break I took, and now I feel like I should take some rest. Maybe I'll watch a movie, I'll edit some videos which are necessary, and yeah, that's all about today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, but before that, remember in the last clip I told you to have fun, and because if you're not gonna have fun, you will get exhausted. So having fun is very, very crucial. And I just saw a clip of myself singing and setting this whole setup. So yeah, and I would like some of you, especially if you're a content creator, to watch that clip. I literally was singing and then I did this and then I started saying whatever I was supposed to for the video. It really made me smile and I hope it makes you smile as well. এমনি করে চলে জীবনে মরণে যাওয়া আসা, টিং টিং টিং, তোমারই চলার পথে দিয়ে যেতে চাই আমি একটু আমার ভালোবাসা. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal Karmakar and on this platform I share everything I love with the people I care for. Good morning guys, it's the day 2 of bug shooting. So today I revived this very old action camera that we have. It's MG Cool Explorer Pro and this is like very old, but even before the whole Chinese ban thing. So it is, I think, 3 to 4 years older. Let's see what this baby does. So आज का plan है, आज भी the goal is to shoot 3 videos and this is going to be used as a behind the scenes camera. Let's see how it does.
Yo, so it's 4 p.m. and I just got done shooting the videos. but there are messes. There are multiple messes to clean. First of all, there are these clothes. Then there is this face that needs to be cleaned up. And then I'm thinking I'll just chill and don't do much because I am tired. Also, I reached the threshold of making 3 videos today. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi guys, so it's day 3 and today's agenda is of making 2 videos. Number 1 is a basic lookbook which we are not going to reveal soon, but number 2 is the Diwali photo shoot ideas and setup ideas. Hi guys. So it's 2 p.m. and I just finished shooting the first video of the day. Now comes the second video, which is a little more hectic than usual because it's Diwali photo shoot ideas, and the plan is to I was sitting because my legs hurt because of all the standing I do basically. So the plan is to move the bed, this dhacha over here on this wall because this wall gets the most light. I don't know how I'm gonna do it all by myself, but let's see, let's hope for the best. और देखते ही देखते कल ही ये चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया और इसके लिए आप सभी को एक ह्यूज थैंक यू एंड अ वर्चुअल हग, क्योंकि आप सभी के बिना ये संभव नहीं हो पाता. सो इट्स अ थैंक यू टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. और ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करते रहिए, ऐसे ही अपना प्यार बरकरार रखिए. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.